Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're in the correct account. This matters because history is per account. Once done, make sure your phone is online so the app can sync. Tap the main payments or transactions view to surface recent recharges. If you don't see a Transactions tab, tap Home then the profile icon to reveal settings. This gets you to the activity area quickly. These initial steps ensure you can actually view and manage recharge entries without wasting time. Now navigate the transaction list and filter for recharge or use the search box with the phone number or merchant name to narrow results. Once you find a recharge, tap it to open detailed information. This reveals the three-dot menu or More Actions button. Use that menu to see available options like Delete, Remove, or Report. Note why some entries lack delete. Those are synced receipts from banks or mandated records. If deletion is allowed, confirm when prompted. This permanently removes the local record. After confirming deletion, give Google Pay a few minutes to sync changes across devices. Make sure background data is allowed. If the entry still appears, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Pay, and clear cache. Then relaunch and check again. You can also sign out and sign back in to force a fresh sync. If the record remains because it's a billing or regulatory statement, contact Google Pay support for removal requests and explain why. They can clarify what records can or cannot be deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.